Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we'll be going to Sarawak to learn how to make the one and only Sarawak Laksa. Sarawakians out there, today's your day. This dish was ranked as one of the best Asian foods in the world by tasteatlas.com. And the flavors are so complex, it's spicy, it's sour, and umami rich. When served hot, it is definitely a dish to live for. Sarawak, nicknamed as the Land of the Hornbills, is the largest state in Malaysia, and it is located on the island of Borneo. So join me today as we learn how to make a bowl of Sarawak Laksa. And stay tuned to the end as we give this dish a go and enjoy the wonderful flavors. Let's start by boiling the chicken breast for about 15 minutes. Once cooked, reserve the water and shred the chicken by hand to use as condiments when serving. Next, blanch the prawn for no longer than 2 minutes in the same water as used to boil the chicken. Here's a tip. Boil the prawn skin for 30 minutes for stronger prawn taste. To preserve the authenticity and simplicity of this dish, we're going to use a store-bought Sarawak Laksa paste. Feel free to add in more water if the soup is getting dry. After 30 minutes, add in the coconut milk. While waiting for our laksa to cook, let's prepare the rest of the condiments. We can start off with the sliced omelette. Just break one egg and season it with a little salt. Then fry it on low heat until it's dry. Make sure to let the omelette cool off before slicing so it won't fall apart. Of course, the laksa dish won't be complete without the signature sambal. Feel free to adjust the number of chilies to your liking. Next, boil the rice vermicelli for less than 3 minutes. To prevent it from sticking, rinse them immediately with ice water to get that springy texture. To serve, place the noodles and the rest of the condiments in a bowl. Then pour in the laksa soup. Top it off with the spicy sambal and it is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck trying the recipe. Stay tuned for the next video to find out who's the lucky one who can enjoy this authentic Sarawak Laksa. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You know how I previously said that I'm not going to comment on my own food? But this is quite good though.
Yay! It's the Sarawak Laksa noodle! Oh my god! Have a look at that, man. There's the Taugeh, prawns, shredded chicken, the hidden egg there, some coriander, I have no idea, some spices and chilli, and the vermicelli. Anyways, today we have two very special guests here with us, and you know what? They actually really want to eat these, so that's why they volunteered themselves. I didn't even have to kidnap them. You know what? The food is calling for us, and we shall dig in.
You know how I previously said that I'm not going to comment on my own food? But this is quite good though.
Okay guys, if a chef really comments on his food, that means it's really good. So Terence, is this your first time trying a Sarawak Laksa?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So what actually was your first impression prior to having this bowl which you almost consume?
My first impression to this, right, is I thought the laksa is supposed to be like thicker. But this one is like very watery. I mean, I feel weird eating this one. But it tastes really good. So it's also a plus point, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Because I've never eaten laksa that is like this watery.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, laksa
Okay.
is always like the soup is like very thick one, right?
Creamy lah.
Very creamy, very thick.
Okay,
But this one is
okay.
very watery, so it really hits different.
Wow, fantastic. And Amiru, based on the laksas that you have cooked and tried so far, is Sarawak the only laksa that's this watery?
Actually, it depends lah. I mean, like some say the laksa Kuala Perlis is watery as well, and then like other laksa such as the Assam laksa, that one is thick. The Johor laksa is also thick. So yeah, I think Terence got a point lah. With laksa Sarawak being the thinnest lah.
special one.
Yeah.
Woo!
It is a special one. Yeah.
Sarawakians!
But then it doesn't lack in flavor.
Yup,
Okay.
like the saltiness and the flavor, everything is really on point for me lah. Yeah, even though this one is my first time trying it.
Right.
And one more thing, I'm not being biased but I honestly think that Sarawak has the best laksa.
Woohoo! Oh man, you earned some brownie points.
Yes.
Okay guys, now you see why I'm so proud of my own country. Okay, so I want to ask you, Amiru, like, you know, what I noticed is the ingredients that they add, like the meat base, like the proteins that they add in Sarawak noodles are usually shredded chicken and egg. Yeah, like shredded egg. So what makes it, you know, why do they pick these ingredients specifically?
Not sure lah, but I know that the shredded chicken and prawns is used for the soup to build the flavor lah. Basically, it's like a mild stock lah. So we boil the chicken and then we reserve the chicken water, and using the chicken water, we blanch the prawn in it, and then we mix in with the paste, and then we boil the paste for 30 minutes.
30.
Yes.
Yep.
And I think Sarawak Laksa is the only laksa that uses shredded egg, right? Usually they use hard-boiled egg, right? Yeah, and I actually like it this way.
Okay, so here's a tips for you guys. When you guys peel your prawns and everything, right, you can actually keep the prawn skin and use it for the stock for the laksa Sarawak. But then it will take a lot of time. You need at least 30 minutes to boil the prawn skin. Guys, another tips, never throw away your prawn skin. Keep it in the freezer.
Oh,
You'll never know when you're going to need
I
the
see.
prawn stock lah.
That's a good idea. So guys, that's pretty much all for today. I mean, obviously you can see two guys enjoying their dish, you know, and that just means you really got to find out how to make one.
If you want to know how to make the Sarawak Laksa, go to our website at My Weekend Plan. And you can find the recipe over there.
Great.
And also other states of recipes.
Yeah, and stay tuned guys, we have a lot more coming in, and with that, I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye. See ya.
Ciao.